megalayapost.news
Kumshi benta ban kam kan tiu shushu ya ka kam ile kai chess bat ka balong ru kawai na gi judging ile kai ka bapen pro jabi yang kam tam na ka benta ki khna school na ka yang kari boy district chess association menta ka kanti kala penlong biang ya ka second inter school chess competition ha ka school krum ding ye umbir boy district Hagani ka singi belas sedang ya kani ka jing ile kai chess lawan mensaki du Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon MP Shillong parliamentary scene Meghalaya kum kongsan harkat ka jing don lang do principal ka school kino hikai baru ki kwe na ka leng kari boy hagani ka singi la saki ka jing ki ustad jong kani ka jing ile kai ha ka district ka bala thau record thamai ya ka jingwan kino shimenta ka bala poi hadu saus pa khandai ngut ki khna school kan thup shin rang mat kan thai ki balawan ban pen i la ki jong ki sam hagani ka lempung Yakni ke competition la penya do Biju Singh International Arbiter rengkat bat Amar Bandari Deputy Arbiter baladon rengkat ru uba Afriki Nongrum President ka Association bat uba Arnold Moksha Secretary bat uba Aibor ba Mokdo kum ki member ki bapej bakmi yakni ke jingile kai knang ba jingile kai kanya bej prang nakaliam kongsan hagri ke singi habokran ki khna ulopen pa ko jing so kuman banyu i ki khna school ki balawan bani shimenta hakni ke jingile kai kamtam banyu i yala ki khna apuli ki barim jongu walla nakaliang jongu unumla bani shimenta lang hakni Limpung Henry Ukerman baki khna ki badan kasab hagani ka jingi lekai kin pentwet bha shushu ya ladi knang baki na ki shaprang bat banyo ya kanam kum kinong jom
There'll be so many, schools who would respond to the invitation, and that is why this school and this particular hall is so, it's full beyond capacity. And of course, to all the teachers who are leading our respective school, a very good morning and thank you for taking the initiative to bring your children to this tournament. And for me personally, it's when I entered this hall, it is such a great joy to see my very own ex-student who is on my right side, Amar. He was one of my first students when I started teaching. And good to see you, Amar, and I know him. He's been he was and he is a very good chess player, representing the state, right? Yes? So good to see my old student friend, and so I can play chess a bit, but not and never competed. My competition is just among people who, among friends, but not in a tournament such as this.
megalayapost.news